Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3Game. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of record trigger flow in Salesforce. So in this scenario, if account is created and if account type is technology partner, then the set the rating as hot. So let's jump to the my Salesforce. So as per the requirement, if user create a new account. So if user create a new record and type select technology partner, this one, then the rating should be automatically selected hot. So let's create a new flow. So this is a button where we will create a new flow. I am selecting record trigger flow, then create. Here I am selecting object name account, and here is the four type of radio button. A record is created, a record is updated, a record is created or updated, a record is deleted. So now I'm creating a record of account. So I'm selecting a record is created. After that, condition requirement. So I will make a condition. Condition is if type equals to technology partner. So I make a one condition here. The field name is type equal to value will be technology partner. If account type equal to technology partner, then this trigger will be executed. After that, there is a two type of action: fast field update and action and related record. So this is the before trigger action and this is a after trigger action. So what's the difference between before and after? So before trigger, we are used to update or validate record value before save to the database. And after trigger, we are used to access the field value if the triggering statement is completed in Salesforce. So if triggering statement completed in Salesforce, then we will use the after trigger, and before trigger use to validate record before the save the database. So I will be validate before the trigger. So here I will be select fast field update because this action and related record it will be used whenever we will be update the record on the related list of object. So I am not using the related list of object. I am using current account of record. So I will update the current record of update. So I will using fast field update in this scenario. Then done. After that, I am changing the layout auto layout to freeform. After that, I will be update the account field. So need to update the record. Update account. So what I am updating in this scenario, I am updating the rating. So here I will. This is the name of the field. And this is the value where I am passing. So I will be to rating. Rating will be hot. Then done. Next arrow. Save the flow. Update rating and fill on account. Update rating fill on account. Then save. Then activate this. Now I am creating a new account in my Salesforce. So here new account. Take W3 wave 1 and I am choosing type equal to technology partner. This one. So category match fulfill and this rating will be automatically hot. So then save. As you can see, technology partner, then rating automatically selected hot. Now I am creating another one record. Take W3 wave 1. Account name take W3 wave 1. This time I am selecting type equal to none. Not selecting type. Then create. So this time rating will be also none because I am not selecting technology partner. So contention will be not my, so rating will be not update. So here you can see rating will be not update. So if you just select the type equal to technology partner, condition will be fulfilled and the record will be updated. Do from your side in your credential. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. And don't forget to check and subscribe my channel.